Hello everyone, we'll discuss with Program 2. Develop a program to compute the correlation matrix to understand the relationships between pair of features. Visualize the correlation matrix using a heat map to know which variables have strong positive and negative correlations. Create a pair plot to visualize a pairwise relationships between our features. Use California housing dataset. Even for the Program 2, we'll be using the same dataset, but we are going to plot here heat map as well as the pair plot graphs. So, but using we are going to analyze this heat map using a concept called correlation matrix. That is nothing but using by correlation function we'll be able to fetch our heat map graph. So second program is all about we are going to generate a heat map using your correlation matrix. This is how it looks like, the output for your program 2. And also we are going to plot the pair plot for the same California housing feature. Diagonally we will be able to analyze the graphs better. This is how the plot looks like. So yes, once again we are going to make use of pandas. Yes, pandas, as I already told, for data analysis and for manipulation purpose we are importing this library package Seaborn to plot your heat map and pair plot. We are using data visualization, and to render we are using this your matplot from sklearn, from that is from scikit-learn data set. You are importing your California housing data set. Else also you can one is that way. Other way of doing this is by, yes, as I already told you in a previous program, here you have housing CSV. Once again you are going to to load your California housing data set followed with the same file name, and then you are going to represent the data, the variable with numeric data, to including your floating and numerical values. These are the data types what you give. As we can see here, the floating values that is used to represent. And the next is to compute your correlation matrix. As we have, there's a question C is using the correlation, you should the heat map graph. So the computing correlation we are using an correlation function. Next is to visualize your heat map using your correlation function. Very first thing is to your figure should have a plot with width and height 10 and 8, and you are annotating the true, and the cool map you have taken format as coolworm, and the format is 2.2f, that is 2 decimal values. Line width specification is 0.5, and the title says correlation matrix of California housing features. And finally to render, this is your heat map. And the next step is to plot your pairwise relationship, diagonal kind, that is KDE, and plot KWS features wise. The alpha value is given as in a 0.5, the intensity is set, SNS pair plot, this is how it looks like. And subtitle for each is given as pair plot of California housing features, pair plot of California housing features. And the spacing, y is 1.2, the spacing, and finally to render your output. This is how the second graph is all about, the pair plot and heat map correlation. Here also diagonally you can visualize the things, you can visualize the part. Diagonally this greater the value, the color thickness will be dark. Lighter the value, the color will be light in colors. So you can see if your ranging values like 0.25, anything, you people will encounter something like blue color. And if something is, the intensity is very high, 0.75 to point and anything as such, yes, you can see the reddish color, and it is like 0.92. So yes, thick dense thick blue color, you can see it. So this is how it looks like. Yes, once again the x and y axis has been taken as all the features value. So using your correlation matrix, and diagonally you can see the things, everything is like diagonally it is greater value and thicker. The same thing here also, you can see the diagonal representations of the graphs. pair plot, relationship, how one variable is correlated to another, whether it is dependent or it is independent. What is the relationship that exists with other variable? All those things we'll get to know from this program. So it's all about using a correlation function and using two different set of graphs using your SNS and your matplot. Thank you.